Alright guys, now we are going to do the first exit from we are going to do the Racecourse roundabout first exit from the Benenthorpe toward Ledger Road. That's Ledger Road, is the first exit. Now here's a little bit issue is there's a bus lane is there. There's a lot of students made mistake there same as well. So try to do not panic, just relax. Away from the bus lane, the solid bus line. And then keep going to drive from here smooth, keep going. I will show you the practically same as well. Keep drive as a smooth, keep going. So try to apply here indicate a little bit earlier, center mirror, left indicate. Keep going, and look the floor again. That says the arrow says you can use this lane, and they're written on floor except the buses. So here switch the lane. So when you switch lane back, make sure look on the left shoulder, quick glance. Is no cycle, no taxi, no bus, anybody is there. Make sure safe. Try to do not sharp switch lane back, just smooth. Try to do not switch lane on the white solid line. Just a little bit head and come back over as a normal back. So just quick glance on the left shoulder, then cancel indicate. Then again, because the two maneuver, one is the for switching lane, second one for now turning left. So switch lane before that, check the center mirror, left shoulder, just quicker. Then cancel indicate, then again center mirror, left indicate, and carry on to middle of your lane, left indicate. Now look on the round on their right side. Is there any cars at this line? Then try to stay away from here. If somebody's here in the far away, slow driving, you're going to first exit. Just keep going smooth because of far car. While we're looking on the roundabout, we're looking safe cap. So keep going, keep looking on the right and look the left, the curb same as well. So make sure no hit the curb same as well. Keep going. If it's not safe on the right side, wait behind the giveaway line and until it's safe. Once you find the safe cap, just with left indicate, keep going to left as a normal and progressive. I will show you the practically same as well. Alright guys, this time we're going to do the now Racecourse roundabout first exit again, which is from Benenthorpe toward Ledger Road. There's a bus lane is on there, so make sure do not go too close to bus lane, do not cross the bus lane. Progress is same speed, is normal, if it's safe to do so. After the last blue sign, bus sign, here about here, center mirror, left indicate. Look on the floor again, what arrow going to, make sure look the behind, no bus, left side, center mirror again, left blind shoulder, cancel indicate here, take the left lane as a normal, center mirror, left indicate again, look on the right. If it's safe to do so, you could carry on, if no, then wait for that. So once it's safe, your lane is clear now, you can enter the roundabout as a normal with left indicate, and then soon car get straight, check the all mirrors, cancel indicate and progress it. Hello guys, we are going to do the Racecourse roundabout second exit straight ahead is at 12 o'clock. So try to early get the position is the middle lane, because middle lane, look the arrow, middle lane says straight ahead and turn left, and left lane is left, right lane is only right. So keep the middle lane as a smooth, keep going as a normal, keep going here, look on the right if it's safe to do so. Follow again same as a normal, keep going. So follow the X mark in middle of the way. So lined up that one line to X marking same as well to understand where's the line. That line same as well, lined up the X marking, that one X marking lined up the curve, then drive into middle. Keep driving the middle. Now once you approach on the, there's on the curve, which is the post is there, yellow post. Now center mirror, left indicate. follow the curve, the one, follow the white line, same as well as a normal, keep going, keep going, keep going. As a middle, try to do not cut this one, red H marking, red and white H marking, just go into drive into middle here in the center. Then again keep going to here, middle, 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 up here. And then once your car up there, then do not go follow close to here, then aim your white line that side and follow the curve, same as well as a normal. Keep going, normal, normal, normal. Try to cancel indicate here. Then now try to switch lane as soon as possible when you're safe to do so. So try to look quick glance on the left shoulder behind the back sides, because there's a slippery road here. Maybe the cars comes sometime very fast. So make sure there's nobody there. Try to apply left indicate and try to switch lane before the traffic light. So, or if nobody give you way from the before the traffic light, please drive as in right lane. But soon you find the safe gap again, bring back your car. If you already found the gap, then safe gap, then center left indicate and switch lane as a normal. I will show you there's a practically same as well. Hello guys. So now we are going to do the Racecourse roundabout second exit straight ahead. So examiner say follow the Racecourse roundabout straight ahead from place. So early planning, center right indicate, switch the lane on the right, because the left lane going just only left it. So stay on the normal lane. So look again the roundabout sign same as well, look the floor same as well. The ones ask you, we are now at the moment Ledger Road. We're going toward Car House Road, which is M18, A1M, Beckfield, Rotherham, A18, Passama. So take the normal lane, the middle lane. Look again layout for the left side of the green sign same as well. Keep the normal middle lane. Observe quick glance the mirror same as well. Stay behind it and normal in the middle lane. Start looking the right on the roundabout and look on the floor front, which is your car should be middle of the lane. Start looking on the right, glance the left wing mirror sometimes same as well. Look on the right same as well. We're looking for safe gap. Now we'll look last check right side, center mirror, left mirror again. Now soon up is this post, center mirror, left indicate, follow the bus lane, not bus lane, that's a H marking. Keep following the one same, center mirror, left cancel indicate. Now switch lane if safe to do so. Center mirror, left indicate, switch lane here as a normal and cancel indicate and keep drive as normal.